Hello everyone, welcome to QuantSap. Myself Vignesh. First of all, thanks everyone. Thanks for your valuable time. Thanks for joining me in this video. So as you might have seen in the thumbnail, today's topic is we will be talking about a swing trading. And again today we will be discussing about trap indicator and modified PCR, because like I have repeated these videos n number of times, but still while taking demos and all, I realized that many people are still not confident about how to club trap indicator and modified PCR. Okay, many people are still thinking that trap indicator is a intraday trading tool, like they see trap indicator during the live market. Okay, so n number of queries I received based on this trap and modified PCR, like how to combine, how to use trap indicator and all. So today again we will be discussing about trap indicator and modified PCR, how we can club it and how we can use it for a positional trading. Okay. So before getting into the video, if you are new to QuantSap and if you haven't installed the application yet, I would request you to install the application at the earliest, because as soon as you install the application, you will be unlocking the benefits of 25 free tools immediately. Okay, so definitely those 25 free tools will help you to improvise your trading. And apart from that, as you know, QuantSap has approximately 70 to 80 tools, out of which 25 are definitely free of cost. But if you want to know more about the paid version, the proprietary tools of QuantSap like order book data, RPG, option writers, n number of tools we have. So if you want to know more about them, what you can do is, once you install the application and then go to learn section, go to video library. Okay, so what is video library? Basically, video library is the banks of videos. It contains almost all the tools of QuantSap. Okay, and what you can do is, under language, filter it out to English, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, whichever language you want. Okay, and you can go and check out all the tools of QuantSap. Okay, and while exploring these videos, if you have any queries, feel free to contact us on the helpline number mentioned above. Okay, or else what you can do is, you can just go to this profile section and go to support. Okay, and you can write us at support@quantsap.com. Okay, so let's start today's video. What is trap indicator and how trap indicator will help you to find trades? That is what we are going to discuss today. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so let's say this is the, you can say, let's say open interest. Okay, so let's say this is the highest call writers level and followed by this level, we can say. Okay, so this is the call writers level and say this is a put writers level. The strongest put writers are present over here, followed by another level. So say this is, you can say, resistance 1, resistance 2, and you can say support 1 and support 2. Okay, now what happens usually, if you see, prices oscillate. If you see, usually open interest, if you have seen, prices usually oscillate between the highest call writers level and highest put writers level. Correct. Now say for example, if the price is trading near to this highest put writers level, that is near its support. Now what are the two possibilities? Okay, now if the put writers over here are unwinding their positions, okay, and say for example at this level and also at this level, or say at this level only, if the put writers are unwinding their positions, what is the possibility? We can expect a sharp downside. Or else, instead of unwinding, if the put writers have started adding more positions, then the support becomes stronger and there is a possibility of a reversal. Simple, everyone knows this. Okay, no one has any doubt related to the concept. I know that while taking demos, what queries I received is how to use trap indicator, when to take entries, when to take exit. The common queries I received. So I thought of preparing one more video. This is a very important video. You have to listen this till the end. All your queries will get sorted. Okay, so if the support level is getting stronger and stronger, there is a possibility that it might reverse back. Now my question to you is, how would you know? Let's say for example this is HDFC Bank, or say Petronet or any stock, be it any stock, okay, whether it is trading near to its highest put writers or whether it is trading to its highest, near to its highest call writers level, how would you know? So trap indicator will help you to gauge which stocks are trading near to its highest call writers level or highest put writers level. Simple. So once you get the stock, you might receive say a list of 10 to 15 stocks every day, and then what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to filter out those stocks, okay, because we cannot take trade in each and every stock, correct? There are 10 to 15 trades it reflects, out of which 5 to 6 trades will give returns and rest might fail. There is a possibility. Now the question arises, how would I know which counter is going to give returns and which is going to fail? Correct. For that we are going to take an additional confirmation, that is where modified PCR comes into the picture, okay. So first let us understand this trap indicator and then let's go one step ahead and let's see how to take a confirmation from MPCR as well. Now say for example, if a stock is trading near to its support level, there are two possibilities as I explained. Similarly, if a stock is trading near to its highest resistance level, if the call writers are unwinding, there is a possibility of a swift up move, or else instead of unwinding, if the call writers are confident and they are adding more, there is a possibility that there is a reversal we can see. Simple, correct? Now let us get into the application, okay. So this is the home page of QuantSAP, okay. So if you see on the right hand side top, let me give you a brief introduction about this home page. So if you see on the right hand side top, you will be getting Nifty, Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty, all the major indices you can see along with the narrations, okay, whether Nifty is having a long built up or there is a short built up or whatever built up Nifty or Bank Nifty is following, along with the price change and OI change. So everything you can see over here. Along with it, if you see, there are n number of fancy indicators, okay, like unusual option activity, option chain, days high low, open interest, and number of fancy indicators are there. So as I said, if you haven't installed, kindly install and unlock the benefits of 25 free tools immediately. Now let's get into trap indicator. How we are supposed to get into trap indicator? Go to trading, under quant models, the last one is trap indicator, okay. So trap indicator. Now in trap indicator you will be getting two kinds of signals. One is call writers trap and another one is put writers trap. Let us understand the meaning of call writers trap and put writers trap. So whenever you see a call writers trap, that means the ones who have sold the call options, that is at this level, say this is resistance and I am expecting the stock is not going to move up. So what I would do, instead of buying a put, if I am expecting sideways market, I am not expecting a direction, what I'll do, instead of buying a put, I will sell a call, okay. So call writers trap means those who have sold the calls are now getting trapped and there is a possibility of a direction on the upside. Similarly, for put writers trap, those who have believing that this is a strong support and those who have sold the put at these levels are now by unwinding their position and there is a possibility of a strong downside. Simple. So call writers trap is a bullish indication, put writers trap is a bearish indication, okay. So now the question arises, actually someone asked me whether if I see call writer trap or put writer trap, am I going to directly go and can I go and directly take a trade? Can I initiate a trade? The answer is no. If you have seen my videos, n number of times I have repeated the same thing. This is not a standalone tool. You are supposed to obtain a confirmation from modified PCR. This is not a standalone tool, and the most important thing, you are not supposed to see this in the live market. Note it down. This tool is irrelevant during the live market. You are not supposed to see. You are supposed to see this tool only at the end of the day, post the market closing. You can go and check this, because as of now, if you see, signal date is 9th September. Now I can see United Spirit is giving me a call writer trap. Say for example, some news arises and United Spirits is say approximately 5 to 10% down by 2 p.m. This signal will immediately reverse and it will show me put writer trap. So instead of playing between call writer trap and put writer trap, ultimately you will get trapped if you see this in the live market. So avoid seeing this in the live market, okay. Now say for example, if these signals are intact, okay, post 3:30 p.m. whatever signals I am seeing now is irrelevant for me. Post closing, if these signals are intact, I will consider this and I will go and take a second confirmation. Okay, so let's say let's go and check out any of the trade which I received on 6th. let's say any of the trade. Okay, there are n number of trades. If you see, okay, let's say put writer trap on 6th September. If I see, there is Petronet. Can you see Petronet put writer trap? I can see. Okay, so on 6th September there was a signal, I can say, at 3:55. At 3:55 I can see a Petronet was a put writer trap indication I received in Petronet. Okay, now say on 6th September I received a put writer trap on Petronet, so I am supposed to take a trade on the next day. So on 7th and 8th the market was closed, so on 9th, okay, technically on 9th you could have taken a bearish trade. Now when to take a trade is the question, and how to take a trade is the question. Okay, so if there is a significant gap up or gap down, you are not supposed to take any trade. Now what is significant? That is subjective. For me, anything over and above 2% is significant, because a 2% move in futures can drive your options like anything, correct? So for me, anything over and above 2% is significant. For you it might be 3%, for someone else it might be 4%. That is completely subjective, I won't comment on it. Okay, so say a significant gap up or gap down, I am going to avoid. Next day morning at 9 a.m. probably 9:15 a.m. probably after opening, if you're good with technicals, at 5 minutes chart or say looking at the 15 minutes chart, you can plan your entries. Or else if you are not good with technicals, you are purely dependent on the data, then post opening you can initiate or trade around say 9:15 to 9:30 a.m. Okay, now this is, as I said, this is not a standalone trading tool. So on 6th September when this gave me a put writer trap, I am supposed to go and confirm it with modified PCR as well, whether modified PCR is indicating me a bearish signal or not. If not, I will ignore. If yes, I will proceed with it. Okay, now what I'll do, go to analyze. Can you see PCR? I'll go to PCR. Now I have explained the entire concept of PCR, like what is put call ratio, what is OI PCR, what is volume PCR, and what is modified PCR. I won't be explaining the whole concept of PCR again. If you want to know the whole concept of PCR, you can go and check out my previous videos wherein I have given an in-depth explanation on PCR. I have covered PCR, modified, vol PCR, everything I have covered. You can go and check that. Okay, now from trading perspective, what we are going to do is I will go to OI PCR historical. Okay, here I can see modified OI PCR, correct? I won't switch this off. If I switch it off, it will be OI PCR. OI PCR is directly proportional to price. What I want modified PCR, which is inversely proportional to price. I'll switch this on. I'll keep this toggle on. This is modified PCR. Now on the right hand side, if you see, you are supposed to ignore this chart. You are supposed to focus only on the table format. Okay, because this might be confusing. So you can simply focus on this. So here what you can see is, you will be getting two kind of signal. One is red triangle and another one is green triangle. If it is a red triangle, that is indicating you a bearishness. If there is a green triangle, it is indicating you a bullishness. So on 6th September, I could see a small red triangle in Petronet. The stock is Petronet. On 6th September, I could see a strong red candle, correct? Not a red candle, a red triangle. Okay, so that is an indication of bearishness. Now, how you are supposed to club trap and MPCR? On 6th September, I got a bearish signal in trap indicator. That is, I received a put writer trap. And on 6th September itself, I am seeing a red triangle over here. So both are getting aligned. If both the signals are getting aligned, that is a good to go signal. I will definitely go and initiate a trade. Sometimes what happens? Modified PCR is a bit advanced concept. So this sometimes, at times, this gives me a quite early signals, I would say. So say for example on 6th of September, if you have received a put writer trap on modified PCR, you might receive the bearish signal on modified PCR say 1 or 2 days prior. Any signal 1 or 2 days prior to the trap indicator is accepted. Say for example on 6th September I received a put writer trap on Petronet. Instead of the 6th September, say for example, I received a red triangle on 5th or 4th, okay, I can go with it. But make sure if you are receiving 1 or 2 days prior, signals as compared to the trap indicator. Okay, so if you are receiving 1 or 2 day prior signal, make sure you haven't left significant move, because sometimes what happens on trap indicator, it will be giving me on 6th, modified PCR might give me on 4th, but from 4th to 6th, in that 2 days span, there is a possibility you might end up missing a significant move. Now again, what is significant is up to you. For me, from 365 to 355 or 350, 340 is definitely significant. I would consider it as a significant. So say for example, if I would have received this red triangle on 4th September, probably I wouldn't have taken a trade, because for me 10 to 15 rupees move in Petronet is significant. Now that is up to you whether it is significant or not for you. So what you are supposed to do, first look at trap indicator, then if you are getting any sort of signal, come here and cross check whether the signals are getting aligned. In Petronet the signal got aligned, so I am supposed to take a trade. Okay, when I am going to take a trade in Petronet, I would have taken a trade today morning, I would have taken a short trade, correct? Today morning I would have taken a short trade in Petronet. Let us go and check out Petronet. And what would be my stop loss? That is based on open interest, you can keep a stop loss, or else give me a second. So if you see, this is 9th September's candle. Okay, so as I said, on trap indicator I received a put rated trap, and it was verified by modified PCR by giving me a red triangle on the same date. So this was a good to go trade. It opened somewhere around 350. Say for example, if you would have taken a trade somewhere around the opening price, still the stock is down by approximately 10 rupees. So you can check out the lot size and you can calculate your profits. I need not say how much money you would have made, correct? So you can cross check. Okay, so I hope you understood how to club modified PCR and trap indicator. Okay, so I received n number of requests on this, like kindly explain this concept again while taking demo. So I thought of taking this concept once again today. So I hope this time it is clear. Okay, and any queries you can again let us know in the comment section. If you like, say for example, there is a possibility that I might have missed something, okay, or if you want to know something in detail, definitely let us know in the comment section. We'll definitely deliver that video as well. Okay, so stay tuned, we'll see you soon in the next video. Thanks everyone.